Okay, sorry about that, bit of an interruption. So here we are, Sunday afternoon. Morgan having his first drive of the truck on the field. There we go, let's have a look out the front.
I'm not used to it, so that's why I'm not going very fast.
I don't want you to go fast. Fast is out of control.
Says you.
Who's been driving for 30 odd years. There we go. You're doing really well, Morgs. So now, when we get up here, I want you to turn right back round and go back down again. So back off the throttle when you turn, just a touch. Now turn. Bit more throttle, that's it. Not too much. Bit more. That's it. Straighten up. Bit more to the left. Don't ever let your hands go off that wheel. Should always be at least one hand on the wheel all the time. That's it. You alright with that?
Yeah, fly just went in my eye, that's why I stopped, sort of.
Okay, let's do a manoeuvre. I want you to put the clutch in slowly and come to a nice slow stop. So clutch in and just gently on the brake. Clutch.
Oops.
So clutch in. That's it. Take it out of gear. Okay, start your engine.
Oh, wrong way.
That's it. Clutch back down to the bottom. Second gear. And now set off again gently. Steady on the throttle. Slowly lift your clutch. Slowly on that clutch. Bit more throttle. That was lovely. Really good set off that. Okay, now just come down to your left just a bit more. Little adjustments, that's it. And then straighten up again.
I can feel the wheel trying to pull each side of it.
You will do.
Right, coming to a steady stop now.
Okay, clutch down all the way to the bottom and gently press your brake, keeping the clutch down.
Oh.
Not bad, not bad. So out of gear, keep your clutch down, out of gear. Now you can let your clutch up and put your handbrake on. Fantastic. Now switch the engine off. So what do you reckon to driving?
Complicated.
Enjoy it?
Yeah.
Well done.